Budget LS Factory 5 Roadster Backorder unboxing coming right up. When my kit was delivered, originally there were 75 items on the backorder list. On the first backorder, there were 25 items in there, and on this backorder, there is about 4 or 5 items in this box. So you may have noticed that the aluminum to the driver's side front foot box is not riveted into place, and that's because I still have to figure out what I'm going to do with the gas pedal, because I don't think that this stock one that came with the engine is going to fit in there. There are some aftermarket options, but they are not cheap. In addition, I'm not going to be able to install the gas tank yet because I still got to figure out a fuel delivery system. I know that I want an in-tank fuel pump to keep the pump noise down. So for that, I'm going to consult a friend of mine, and stay tuned for that. Other than that, thanks for watching.